Said, welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. We're not going to be doing like too much of a big deal, but we're going to be making oatmeal cookies.
Hey.
I just like in the mood of eating some oatmeal cookies, and I'm going to watch one of my shows I'm going to be showing. So I figure, let me go to the supermarket, see what they got.
What they got.
So we got this. It was at $1.09 for a whole bag of oatmeal cookies.
That's it.
You know, and this is from Betty Crocker.
Hey, Betty.
That we'll see right there. It says Betty Crocker. So all that you're required to do is go to the supermarket and get one of these. And if you have a glass bowl like mine, what do you do?
Pour it in.
Pour that in. Take one egg, a brown egg, a white egg. It doesn't matter. An egg is an egg. Put that egg right in there.
All right.
Take one stick of butter.
That's it.
And
melt it.
I melted mine in the microwave, and then I'm gonna take my little stir-up thingy here that I have. What do you call these, Michael?
A whisker.
A whisker. I forget.
Minus the accent.
And
whisk it up.
away.
Whisk it up.
It's getting harder now.
That's right. Starting to look like oatmeal.
And we gotta put, what else they said, Michael, that we gotta put? The water.
1 tablespoon of water.
Was it 1, Mike, or 2?
It said 1.
Are you
because
sure?
we're doing the butter method. There's a butter method.
Okay. So
and there is an oil method.
So this is the one. Is that 1 table?
Audience, is that 1 table? Yes.
Yeah. So you put that 1 tablespoon.
Mix it up, mix it up.
Oh, these are oatmeal cookies. And then this says to put the oven on 375.
All right, let's check that out.
Which we did.
We
is
did.
it?
Yes,
So
it
I'm
is.
still
Yes,
whisking
it
here
is.
away. And it says to take whatever pans that you're going to put your cookies in on grease. Hold on a second. Let me take a little sip of my beautiful coffee here.
Sip it up, sip it up.
You love to be playing around like that, huh, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Should we put... No. I'm going to do exactly what it says.
It's exactly what it looks like.
Okay. Michael says how many tablespoons of water there
Look,
says.
everybody tell me.
Get close.
1 stick of butter, margarine, or spread, softened, not melted. Oh, oops. Okay, well,
the water.
We didn't listen there. 1 tablespoon of water and 1 egg.
Okay, and that's it?
Well, actually, no, it was softened. Softened/melted.
What?
No.
What are you talking about?
No, because it said on the package, it said softened butter, not melted.
Oh, the softened butter. Oh, yeah, well, yeah.
Well, it's basically the same thing.
It means to melt it.
Yeah. I mean, what's the difference? It looks good.
Well, these are oatmeal cookies.
Oh,
and
yeah, they're
now,
going to come out delicious.
Yeah, that's it. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm tired of turning this. I think we're good. What we're going to do, we're going to take the same 1 tablespoon for the cookies.
All right.
And then on
put it on a
grease,
pizza tray.
This is a pizza tray.
That's right. Because
I don't have a lot.
in Cindy's kitchen,
it says the size of 1 thing, right?
1 tablespoon. You know, you can use the silver one too. Oh, but you're making them pretty.
Yeah.
Ooh, looks like peanut butter. Look, everybody.
Well, the oatmeal cookies, so you know we gotta like spread them apart a little bit. You know,
it says a
that,
couple,
right?
like at least 2 inches. Is that 2 inches, everyone? Comment down below.
No, I don't know, but I guess we're gonna figure out.
Guess we're gonna find out
after
from the fans.
No, well, after they spread in the oven.
Yeah, that too.
But I mean, if we measure them, they're all the same amount. You know.
They already look good. You know, there are some people who just eat the batter, right? You ever do that as a kid?
I could think chocolate and vanilla, like chocolate, maybe thing.
Chocolate batter?
Yeah, and vanilla batter.
Brownie batter.
A lot of people do that.
Yeah, it says not to, but
yeah,
people don't listen, you know.
But you know how it is, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, on Instagram.
On Pinterest.
On Pinterest. Pinterest, Mike, or Pinterest?
I don't know. People tell us in the comments, is it Pinterest
I'm going to throw
or Pinterest?
one more in here. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
So we're going to make, these are what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Let's
9
count
of them, right?
Yep.
There's 9 there, and then I have another tray. Excuse me. I want to put them all together. Let's continue.
Let's continue.
Yeah, so like I said, and like us on
ungreased.
Facebook. I know, this is ungreased.
Yes. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. On Facebook?
Yeah. And follow the link below.
Oh, yeah.
And that will take you to our Patreon account.
Yep.
Where if you want, you can donate $1.
Which nobody has.
Or more.
But it doesn't matter. That's what I'm about to say. Say it at the same time.
Yeah, so anyway, that, and come back because I'm going to be putting these in the oven, but we're going to like close up together. Hold on a second, guys.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to close up together because I'm going to put these in the oven. It says for like 12 minutes.
Close it
But since all conventional ovens are different, I'm going to set it for 15.
Okay.
You know,
I think whatever the package
minutes.
says, you add like another 20% of the time.
Yeah. So I'm going to put these 2 trays, Mike, in there.
All right. How many cookies?
When that's done, I don't know.
Oh, so many.
Quite a bit. Okay, so come and follow us with us. I'm going to put this for
10, 12,
15 minutes in the oven.
17 cookies.
We're going to take them out.
17.
And so you guys can see how easy it is. You make your cookies, you put them in the oven, you take them out and you eat them. And for less than $2, the whole family plus a couple of friends and maybe a neighbor or two can have a cookie or two. So come right back. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in 15 minutes. So we're back, and we took the cookies out, as you can see from over there, Michael. You can show that the oven is still on. So I have another tray that's going to be coming out. So I want to take these out, like
pizza tray cookies.
You know, wow, look at that.
Oh yeah.
You know, I left them cook a little bit longer than what it says, like a minute and a half more. Because I like them, I like a little bit more. You see that brown color around the edge, like more. When I bite into it, feels like a cookie, not like a piece of cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, not crunchy, but kind of like, you know. And there you go. Oatmeal cookies. Don't forget to subscribe. Love us. We love you back. Follow us everywhere you see us. Instagram, Twitter. Love us on Facebook, Pinterest, Google+. You can link down on the link below, and that will take you to the Patreon channel. And if you want, you can donate $1 or don't donate $1. It doesn't matter. We're still going to love you.
Oh, yeah.
But just try to making these. Look how beautiful they look. They look amazing. And you know what? I'm going to eat one with you guys here because I can eat oatmeal. And we love you back. And that's it for tonight. Don't drink and drive, guys. Don't drink. Hold on. Wow, these are good, Michael. Don't drink and drive. And we all love you. And have a good night. Love you. That's right.